Hey guys, I have a Hyundai Santa Fe. Tried to use this switch. Side mirror doesn't work. I will set up here on left side. Let's see this mirror. Even I press this left side, right side doesn't work. Down. Okay. So the side mirror doesn't work. So all we have to do is just check either this one or the side mirror itself. Okay, let's find out. So before that, we're going to check if there's a voltage coming from here. So I have a tester here. Hopefully you can see. Now we're going to check one by one. So I will put this probe on this side. Okay, it's positive sides, and the other one is over here, the negative side. Okay, let us see. I turn on this one and let us check. So this side is 0, and the other side didn't work, didn't respond. Now we're going to remove this side mirror for double check. It's the same thing the other side. Even I press here, the other side didn't respond. So I will double check both sides. Okay, we're going to remove this first. Okay, now let us see. Okay guys, checkin natin to kung gumagana ito sa mirror natin. Set up natin to sa 5 volts. So ang kanyang B-set ay nakaset up sa 6 volt. Gawin na lang natin siyang 5 volts. Okay, 5, then enter. So it's 4.99. So i-round up mo 5 volts. So 5 ampere siya. So gawin na lang natin siyang 3 ampere ang i-set niya. Okay, 3, then enter. Okay, so 5 volts 3 ampere. Set up tayo. Tingnan natin kung nagana ito side mirror natin to bago natin tingnan ang supply dun sa sasakyan. So ito guys ay sa heater. Itong dalawang paang ito at itong tatlong ito na yung sa motor. So pagbabalik-balik ka rin natin yan para nang sa ganun ay mag-move siya move backward at move forward. So tingnan natin. Lagyan natin dito. So ito kahit magkabaligtad kasi nga may backward to. Mapapansin nyo guys, nagalaw yung ating salamin. Ibig sabihin nagana ang motor. So pag binaligtad ko, lulubog yan. See? So ito naman, isang motor. So ang function niya ay pataas at pababa. So yan ang function niya. Okay. Ibig sabihin nagana ang motor. So pag lumagitik na ganyan, sagad na. So gumagana itong motor natin. Ang problema dito ay ang supply. So ngayon guys, kakalasin muna natin siya dito para madali natin siyang magawa. Magkaroon tayo ng espasyo. I will start the car. So I plug this one in, put on the left side. As you can see, this one doesn't work. Even the other side doesn't work. I'll show you. So I will control that. As you can see, doesn't work. Right? I press from here, but it doesn't work. See? Both sides doesn't work. Even this one, it's the left side, doesn't work. So all we have to do is just check this one. Let us see what's the problem for this. Okay, try again. See, doesn't even work. We have to remove this cover and try to check if there's a voltage coming up on this unit. Okay, you can use small flat screw just for removing this cover. Okay, just remove this first. Okay, and then just lift this up a bit.